Hello friends, welcome to video number 5 of Anchal related to interview skills. Now in my last video, I discussed about mental preparation where I clearly briefed you all related to the preparing for FAQs etc. Even I would suggest that all the companies before they are calling any candidate for interview, they are generally posting JD, that is job description for the same. So you can just understand that what is the job description and what is the expectation of that company from you. Accordingly, if you will prepare and you will go prepared, then the chances of failures are really less. Now coming to the third type of preparation, the third type of preparation is known as psychological preparation. Now what do I basically mean by psychological preparation? Psychological preparation is something, suppose if you go for an interview and the interviewers are asking you a question which is not understood by you clearly, you definitely will apologize for the same and you will ask that interviewer to repeat the question. When the interviewer repeats the question, you realize that you don't know the answer. Then how do you react? Obviously, you will apologize again. Now suppose your day is really bad. Not all the days are good, my dear friends. So suppose if your day is really bad and again the interviewer is posting or putting question in front of you which is again not known by you. And then again you feel that how can I react? And immediately what is the human reaction? We try to bluff. We try to give something unrelated answer. And let me tell you my dear friends that there is no fun in running behind the bushes. Because interviewers are really very smart, very talented. That's the reason they are there and we are on this other side. So in this situation, I would suggest you a wonderful psychological preparation or a psychological tip that be patient and maintain honesty. I will still go for the old quotation that honesty is still the best policy. Yes, it is. So if at all I don't know the second answer also, I will clearly apologize. If I even don't know third answer, I will apologize and I'll say and accept myself that probably I have not worked well for this particular interview. But next time I'll definitely study well, do my homework well and come again. So this way if you are reacting, even the interviewers know this very well that once upon a time they were also on this other side. So please don't try to bluff and don't try to get trapped. Honesty is the best policy still and you please maintain that honesty. Also, I would like to suggest you the second psychological tip is suppose if the interviewers really like your performance and they are trying to offer you an appointment letter or something like that. Definitely that won't happen right in the first interview. For example, if you are going for second round of interview and the interviewers have really liked your performance well and they are offering or trying to offer you an appointment letter or something like that. And you are in a dilemma because this is not your dream company and your dream company is some company where your interview is scheduled in the next week. Now how will you handle this particular situation? Will you ask them to wait and tell them clearly the truth or how will you try to come out of this situation? Let me tell you again one psychological tip my dear friends that suppose if this type of situation arises and you are trapped in such kind of situation. Remember, whatever is with you is yours. Whatever is not with you is not yours. And if at all you really want to go for that dream company and really want to say no to this company, be very honest again. And another important thing is often my students come and tell me that madam, we are into that company where we are not very happy. We are going with the night shifts and with the difficult type of working situation and all and all. I would strongly suggest here another psychological tip that is whenever you are getting an offer from that company, please try to ask about the profile, what sort of profile you are going to get. Whether your probation period will be only for 1 year or it will be extended for many more years. Are there any types of chances where you will be able to go abroad or something like that? You can always ask, you can say, sir, after 2 years of working into that company, I will definitely be interested in abroad projects in foreign countries. What is the scope for me for the same and such kind of questions. After you join the company and then you have a kind of regret, again there is no fun. So better to have the psychological preparation, better to have all these questions with you and better to seek the answers from your employers or from your interviewers for the same. This is how you are psychologically going to prepare yourself well and you are going to crack the interview. We are going to talk about the remaining part in my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.